Riri AKENYA marathie na mbere gwikirira nganja mehariria ma thirikari kuhitana na maruru ma mbura ya ELNINO ire rathie na mbere guthandana icigo ngurani cia bururi. Riu thirikari ni gathikite mitaratara ngurani ire tanyitwo kugitira AKENYA makiria aria mahutitio muno. Kuringana na mwaria wa thingira wa IREGI HUSSEIN MOHAMMED, ndudu ya maminista ni cemanirie giikaro kia mwanya kumurika hathara ya ELNINO iria gumeire icigo nyingi cia bururi kiroko kia umuthi.
Now, as part of the preliminary assessment of the severity of the situation across the country, the meeting noted that 38 out of our nation's 47 counties are within the alarm stage, a stage characterized by flash floods, general flooding in low-lying plains, rivers busting their banks, landslides and mudslides, loss of livestock and destruction of farmland and infrastructure.
Amwe na maundu maria makinyanirio ni ndudu ya maminista ni kurekereria ciringi bilioni 7 iria ikuhuthika guteithiriria aria mahutitio ni muiyuro wa mai na matuika.
Resources committed will be applied for humanitarian response, including distribution and supply of medical commodities, food and non-food items, rehabilitation of infrastructure and resettlement of displaced families.
Na niguo guthaitira arimi, thirikari ni irutite kigina gia ciringi milioni 500 kuri kambuni ya NUKCC iria ikuhuthika kugura iria makiria kuma kuri arimi a iria, kuona ni riongererekete na gikiro kinene kumana na wingi wa nyeki. Oho thirikari ni irekereirie ciringi bilioni 20 cia mbeca iria thirikari cia matura ciagirirwo ni kwamukira, riu ikiuria magavana mahuthire mbeca ici guthaitira AKENYA
together with counties. And this is part of their shareable revenue. But we are encouraging, the government is encouraging counties to try and set aside some money, to reallocate some money to the alleviating the problem, the current problem.
HUSSEIN ni ongerire kuga thirikari ni ithondekire kamiti ya mwanya ya maminista rungu rwa munini wa president Gachagua gutangikira maundu maria mekumana na mbura eno guku ruhonge rwa mbiraru na ruria rwa NYS igikuruhanio gutongoria mihango ya gutangikira AKENYA maundu-ini ma hinahi. Ni athiete na mbere kuga thirikari ni irikitie guthondeka ndaraca na barabara imwe iria irathukangitio ari hamwe na iharo cia ndege, na mihango eno ni iguthie na mbere gutigirira barabara ciothe na ndaraca iria ithukangitio ni ciarikia guthondekwo weru.
Emergency session of cabinet today, or the special session of cabinet, concluded by reassuring all Kenyans that the government is doing everything within its power to return the situation to normalcy within the earliest time possible. Cabinet also urged all Kenyans to prioritize safety during their travel in this period, as well as at their homes and workplaces. All Kenyans should exercise patience and caution.
Kinyanagia riu andu 76 nio makuite kumana na mbura eno guku micii 35 igithererio ni muiyuro. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.